But yeah, high toasty clips. We have a nice build today with the 6700 XT and the Ryzen 7 7700X.
Yeah, so and it's funny because I probably got the 7700X because the X CPUs. They go on some really good sales right now. They'll be the same price as the non-X. We think it has something to do with like temperatures. Honestly, they're a little bit harder to control because they're supposed to run real hot. But anyways, yeah, we got a Gigabyte B650M Aorus Elite AX. That's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Western says we replaced it. So I think we have
is a
Samsung 980 Pro now, which is even better. So it's a Gen 4. We have Corsair Vengeance 32 gig 5600 megahertz RGB, a Cigotep GM850, and that's ATX 3.0. I can hear a guy on the ceiling.
I hear the man above us.
A Vitra V240, ARGB AIO, and the Montec Air 100.
Do you know what those things are called? That's a mouse bungee.
Yeah. Those things are pretty good. You know, the next level is just getting a wireless mouse. And I will say, once you get a wireless mouse, it is very hard to go back to like a wired mouse.
Yeah, Joel just wants to shake the bubble. There we go. Yeah, let's go. Guys, whoa, chill!
So are y'all gonna be at rallies together?
Thank you, Jay Dorsey.
Thank you, Jay Dorsey. Oh yeah, guys, cool announcement. Mouse pads.
Mouse pads are up.
They're officially on the website. The one thing that I want you to keep in mind is I'm really just hoping, you know, first it's like long-time viewers and stuff who buy them, but they do have a pretty big lead time. We're looking at about 3 to 4 weeks right now before we get them shipped out, but we really appreciate anybody who buys one.
Get the exclusive early drop.
Yes, and if you're lucky, maybe we'll do something special with it. Maybe we'll sign them, or I don't know.
Shout out to Jay Dorsey for being one of the people to buy one.
Jay Dorsey was the first
purchaser. Thanks for the great YouTube video, guys. My brother got a laptop from Best Buy with a recognition. Thank you. What laptop did you get? You already know we out here making moves, stacking bread, eating beef. Also, new job in 2 weeks. And I saw the YouTube channel's doing well, bro. You're thriving right now. So I said my CPU got to 8 degrees when I'm playing. I'm curious what temps will it be when my new AIO installed. You have a DH15 currently. You're changing out for NZXT Z73. What CPU do you have? 5900X. I would imagine you'll be down into like the 70s at most. I mean, that is a higher end CPU. So if you're in the 80s already with like a NHD15, which isn't a big tower cooler, but a decent tower cooler, I'd say like a 10 to 15 degree drop with an AIO. Can this play Roblox? I want the damn mouse pad. Hunter Fabio, we'll have to experiment with shipping pricing and see.
Buddy, I didn't know you had it like that. I mean, we're going to have to look at getting it to you then.
That's true. I could have used it. Oh, by the way, guys, for those that we scammed, I apologize. We ordered some more fart spread, and I will repay my debts to society whenever the new fart spray shows up. The giveaway stream's coming up pretty soon. It's not next Friday. It's not this Friday. What bills you paying? So the reason we do keep it low also is our warehouse isn't like AC controlled. And we try our best to keep it really cold in here and then leave all the doors open so we get a little bit of air moving out into the warehouse to like make it a little bit tolerable for them out there.
It's weird because it's not even just the warehouse I could live with, but it's because it's also up front where PC Bros customers are.
Yes.
Sometimes it just gets really hot up there. Basically, Toasty Bros stays cold or hot or whatever pretty much year round, but then the PC Bros, all the PC Bros areas are not very well climate controlled, so we kind of have to compensate. And really the only other option would be getting more window units, but those things are even less efficient. Oh, I have a confession. I've been driving 14 hours every day to put fish paste in the AC because, as I said earlier, I like to take a big whiff of fish paste to really wake me up, and I wanted to make sure you guys are awake for the streams. Wow, that's a little foul, I'm not gonna lie, but I guess I respect the hustle. And you definitely have the grind set. If you guys were international, my wallet would be taken from me. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Man, you guys are just making me want to look into international more and more every time we talk about it.
And then we look into it, then we're like...
Yeah, that's what happens every time. But at least for the merch. You know, we only looked into it back in the day.
Yeah, I wonder what it'd be for the mainly merch. I don't think we'd fall into any sort of like tax categories for like...
I don't think so.
Gotta sell the car magnets.
We do have really cheap merch. I mean, we have bumper stickers and flashlights.
So is it? I think are we not selling the car magnets because of the issues with the car magnets?
That and like they're expensive.
Very expensive.
I mean, the car magnets were like, I think they're like $10+ a piece, and I feel like I don't know a lot of people who really want a car magnet. Yeah. And I feel like the bumper stickers are a good substitute. Yes, they're a good middle ground.
Yeah, don't be scared to take it off. Just know it's going to come off in pieces.
Yeah, that's the thing. It
doesn't mess up the paint. Yeah. It just comes off in chunks.
Which I feel like some people have like, we definitely have made it sound like it's a lot worse than it is. That's just it's just one of those things where like it's tedious.
Yes.
But then again, taking a sticker off is probably worse.
Your viewers are 18, they don't have cars. Well, 16 and over.
I was driving at 10 years old. I used to walk 3 miles in the snow to school.
Yes, we are still playing the ads in the movie theaters. We just renewed again.
We need a company van.
Yeah.
Like one of those.
Our Taco Bell van. That's a write-off.
Dude, that'd be sick. We only
And
use
all
it.
it says is it's a Bones Day on it.
Yeah.
It just has like Taco Bell on it.
They would be so hyped when they saw the Taco Bell vehicle pull up.
New merch idea: Baja Blast vape juice. Stop.
That's how so outside of our realm.
That would be like, imagine us doing an ad and just on YouTube, just be like, hey guys, like you just upload a video. What would you like? That would be. That's how we end the channel.
I mean, we already kind of did it. Remember the little vape bro thumbnail?
Yes.
That still exists somewhere, guys. That is out in the
That's on
wild
Toasty
YouTube.
Clips. You gotta go find it. See, Taco Peter, I don't agree with that. I've drank normal Baja, and I think it tastes significantly better than the zero sugar, but the zero sugar is good enough. It tastes totally different.
That's, I feel like that's how most like zero sugar, sugar free. I think it's just, I don't think most people think they taste better.
It's
I
just
think
a different.
It's good enough.
Yeah.
You know what guy I used to like that was, I feel like kind of early on TikTok is really popular, and I haven't seen him since. It was like the bald guy with his son, and his son would always be like, "Hey Dad, can you make?"
Oh
this?
yeah, I've seen those guys.
And remember, he would like, it was always so satisfying. He's like, we make like an old fashioned, he'd toast the wood and everything. But I feel like I haven't seen him in a while.
We sold 2 more mouse pads. Who bought them?
No way.
2?
No way. Did you guys?
Well, someone bought 2, I think.
Did you guys use a firm?
Okay, really?
What?
It was tool buying 2.
Why'd you get our hopes up?
Why'd you pay for 2 of them?
Yeah, we do appreciate it all in all, but
Yes.
hello.
Jonah, we have sad news.
What?
Oh, I was just saying about we had someone come look at the fish smell and they couldn't find the fish smell.
Talk about fish in here.
We
It didn't smell like fish when I walked in today.
It didn't. I know the guy showed up and they were like, well, we don't really smell it right now. He's like, I don't really know how to help
Zach, the
you.
HVAC guy
sucks.
surpassed your vertical.
Yeah, he tested his vertical.
Dude, he went kind of ham.
Did he?
Jonah, shut up. What we have right here is the Ryzen 7 7700X with an RX 6700 XT.
Save some money for you. Hi guys, we're rating Baker TV. Hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. See you all later. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye bye.